Thanks for waiting. I'm back again. This is, well, the next video in the Enterprise B 1400 scale StarCraft series, as you can see here. And here. This is the model that I'm going to bring to my hobby club meeting on Saturday. And I've got an idea for the side trenches, you know, when I turn the saucer over. I am simply going to paint the side trenches, wipe it off, the paint will stay in the side trenches, and everything will be fine. You can see how I've taped off the bottom star drive to compensate for the decals that are only a light blue. You can see that light blue there, but then you can see what color I actually want to get it, because that's the color that matches the Rust-Oleum paint. And of course you can see the glue I used to attach the star drive and its neck to the saucer. You can see what I'm bracing it with and how I'm using the nacelle mount to brace it. That nacelle mount was just glued in, well, it fit in the slot. It was glued in with the Tamiya model cement. Seems to be working just fine. And of course what I will do, you see how the windows are already dark? Because they're like dark holes. So I will probably just leave them like that. I'll probably use the trim manually, you know. Now the front of the neck, you can tell it's quite different. But this is a proof of concept model. That's what this is. This is testing the color scheme for the Enterprise B 1000 scale. Although, considering how well the Gorilla Glue held, I am probably going to assemble the entire thing. But I'm going to decal the entire bottom saucer once this is on. Before I do that, gotta let that medium gray paint for the cargo bay dry before I try to attach this piece to the cover there. And once it's attached, then I will do the bottom decals. I mean, it would be next to impossible to paint this detail here unless you wanted to choose a much darker paint to go in there. So I'm just going to use the decal for that. I just want to compare it to this. I want to see how blue it is. And I mean, yes, it's looking very dark on camera. Much darker than, say, this piece. Which is strange, because in my... Well, no, look at that. It's actually even. That's good. So it is working. So that's about all for now. I'll come back when I've done more. Maybe when I put the rest of the decals on the bottom saucer. There's no risk putting decals on it now. And you can see all the decals I have to put on the bottom saucer right here. Whoa, I just noticed. Look at that. The numbers are glossy. So anyway, I'll work on that and I'll come back when I've done more. Talk to you all later.